Hey, who are you? How did you get in here? What are you doing in my house, on my sofa?
Not to worry, dear. By the way, love this floral pattern. Really brightens up the place.
For the last time, who are you?
I'm Mother Nature.
Yeah? Well, I'm gonna be Mother Call 911 if you don't tell me who you really are.
I am Mother Nature. And I'm only here because of your energy-efficient Goodman air conditioning.
Really?
Look, as Mother Nature, I do have a certain influence over the tides and the seasons and the hot weather, etc. And, well, this summer I just really overdid the heat. It is too darn hot out there, even for me.
I'm not running a bed and breakfast for fictitious folklore icons, Mother.
But it's so cool and comfortable in here due to your new Goodman air conditioner. Please let me just relax and enjoy the indoors. Summer doesn't last forever, you know.
Look, Mom, you need to go.
Look, I know the weather I create is sometimes unpredictable, but your new Goodman air conditioner is so reliable. It's so cool and comfortable in here. Let me stay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, how about first an iced tea, and then let's watch a soap opera?
Tempting, but no.
This is no way to treat me. I'm a mother, you know.
I understand. Maybe another time.
Dinner on Mother's Day. I'll make the sponge cake.
Out!
Thank goodness for Goodman.